Hey, just doing a little recording for my YouTube friends, and yeah, I'm just a little organic and putting it out there. Today, this is my lovely yoga studio space that I do practice through the yoga practices online at teresagagno.com. So I hope you subscribe and do those wonderful practices with me each day. Today, I just wanted to give you a little piece of information about the yoga practice. It is 1% theory and 99.9999%, pretty much 99% practice. So it's never too late. And I know some of you out there have practiced a practice and maybe got routine and plateaued and you didn't do anything else. Yoga is so diverse. It's not just the movement. It's not just breath practices. It's mindfulness, all connected with the breath and the movement. So there's a huge amount of yoga practices out there, especially for you. There is recovery practices, therapeutic practices. I mean, yoga is now like a huge business. For me, it's not a business as much as it's me in my Dharma really sharing with all human beings the importance of loving themselves so that we can all as a human race expand and grow in the most positive way. So the relationship with yourself is the important piece. Yoga helps us to relate and love ourselves unconditionally. Unconditionally. That's what the yoga practice is about. It's not how good you look in your yoga wear or how much weight you lost in a yoga program. It's none of that. It's what it is stimulating within yourself. And I hope that in each practice there is the insightfulness of love, because that's what it's about. If you're not getting that spiritual connection of love, and why am I here doing this movement? Why am I doing this alternate nostril breathing? Why am I doing this mudra? Why? It's because you're connecting to source. And connecting to source is loving yourself so that your relationship with yourself is the most optimal, most amazing, most beautiful, and unconditionally loving relationship so that you can relate to those around you, in your community, in your connections. So today's yoga advice is begin a yoga practice that really invites all of that, meaning breath, mindfulness, love, compassion, and of course, whatever physical movements you need in this time. It's not about going to the hottest class and losing, dehydrating yourself in a class. It's about nourishing your soul. Yeah, when you leave that mat, you want to feel like, I love myself. I love myself enough that I will be responsive in my relationships to the world. It's not, again, how you look in your yoga wear, and it's not how much weight you lose. It's how much love you have for yourself so that you can love others. So there you have it. There's my yoga advice for today. I hope that you find that really helpful. And please, you can always subscribe to my online yoga practices because I talk about the breath. I talk about the physical movements and why. And it's all insightfulness. And it's for every level. From my light to your light, I am the yoga guide, and I am love, and I am light, and I am the other you, and I love yoga because yoga is life, and life is yoga. Namaste. See you at teresagagno.com.